Hello children, in our previous class we have already learnt about adjectives. Today let us know about degrees of comparison. Adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison: the positive, the comparative and the superlative. The positive degree of an adjective simply describes a single person, animal, object, place or group without changing its form. For example, she has a big house. Rohini is a smart girl. Here, big and smart are used to describe house and girl respectively. Then comes the comparative degree. The comparative degree is used to compare one noun to another noun. We use then with the comparative degree. For example, Rohan is taller than Sumit. We can get many more such examples. Third comes the superlative degree. The superlative degree is used to compare 3 or more nouns. It is also used to compare one thing against the rest of a group. We use the with the superlative degree. For example, that is the biggest house on the block. Now, let us see how these words are formed. Most comparative forms of the adjectives are formed by adding er to the positive form of the adjective, and most superlative forms of the adjectives are formed by adding est to the positive form of the adjective. For example, big, bigger, biggest, clear, clearer, clearest. The words that end with e takes only r in comparative form and st in superlative form. For example, wise, wiser, wisest, simple, simpler, simplest. Next comes the words ending with y. For example, busy. It is ending with y. So, we remove y and put ier and iest like busy, busier, busiest, happy, happier, happiest. Some adjectives take more and most for comparative and superlative respectively. For example, difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. There are some adjectives that do not form the comparative and superlatives. They have irregular degrees of comparison. For example, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, much, more, most, etc. These are different in all the 3 forms: the positive, comparative and the superlative. I hope you all have understood the comparison of adjectives. Thank you.